how to see Messenger call history. So if you want to see the Messenger call history, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger, now you just need to simply go with the bottom. Here on the bottom you will have 3 or 4 options, right? So here you will have chats, people and stories. But you will also have a video shaped icon, which is the video call shaped icon. If you have that icon, you can simply tap on that icon and you'll be able to see your Messenger call history. But if you don't have that icon, that means you have updated your application, and with the update we don't have the Messenger call history option on our new updates. So in order to get the Messenger call history, you just need to simply uninstall your Messenger application. Once you've uninstalled, you just need to simply go with your browser or you Google anything that you're comfortable with and search for old versions of Messenger, and then go with any website that you're comfortable with and scroll down and then go with the old version, like 1 or 2 months older version of your Messenger, and install that. And once you've installed, you will have the call history option on the bottom. So if you have updated your application, then you won't have that option. With the new update, the Messenger call history option has been gone. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.